Splashing into English. Understanding, splashing water. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fun and interesting English phrase, splashing water. This phrase might sound simple, but it's packed with meaning and usage in the English language. Let's explore it together. Splashing water is a phrase that describes the action of scattering water around, often in a playful or careless manner. It's a visual and dynamic expression, used to paint a picture of water being moved about, creating splashes. This can be literal, like when someone is playing in a pool, or metaphorical, representing liveliness or disturbance in a situation. To understand how splashing water is used, let's look at some examples. Literal use: the children were splashing water in the pool, laughing and having a great time. Metaphorical use: his sudden arrival at the meeting was like splashing water, disrupting everyone's focus. There are variations of this phrase that carry similar meanings. For example, making a splash can mean causing a big impression or stir in a social situation or in one's career. It's all about the impact and the ripples it creates, much like splashing water. Understanding phrases like splashing water is crucial in language learning because it helps grasp the cultural and contextual nuances of English. It's not just about the words, but the imagery and feelings they evoke. I hope this exploration of the phrase, splashing water, has been enlightening and fun. English is full of vivid expressions like this, and understanding them can greatly enrich your language skills. Keep splashing into the depths of English, and you'll discover a sea of fascinating phrases.